I think we have to change our attitude also. I think we'll have to involve people who are not necessarily politicians, but who are people who have contributed to the field of maybe former IS officers, judiciary, students, people in art and culture. We have to involve everyone to ensure that we come out with a new vision plan which will deliver on education, health, drinking water, sports, opportunity, entrepreneurship. I think that should be a core area of focus.
How you are going to overcome the funding issue? Because
we will work it out, and with whatever we have, we cannot ignore that. We will also work with whatever we have, and I will appeal to the government of India that Tripura cannot develop without TTADC and vice versa. So I think it is very important that attention is, elections are over, we should try to develop the people of TTADC and the people of Tripura.
Any message to the TTADC?
Health, and I have nothing personal against him. He is the Chief Minister of Tripura, so he is the Chief Minister of all of us. I hope that he will give equal importance to TTADC as he does to other departments.
Thank you.
महाराज क्या मैसेज देंगे आज यहाँ पे सफल
कि अगर हमें सिस्टम को सच में बदलना है और त्रिपुरा को आगे ले जाना है तो सबसे पहले हमें हमारा सोच भी थोड़ा बदलना पड़ेगा। एक न्यू त्रिपुरा, एक न्यू इंडिया बन रहा है, और अगर हम यूथ को प्रायोरिटी नहीं देंगे, अगर हम एजुकेशन को प्रायोरिटी नहीं देंगे, हेल्थ को प्रायोरिटी नहीं देंगे, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को प्रायोरिटी नहीं देंगे, तो नुकसान हमारा पूरा सोसाइटी का है, हमारा स्टेट का, हमारा देश का है। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि एक ऐसा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आगे आए जो लोगों का बात सुने और अपने मन मर्जी से काम नहीं करे।
Challenge, what are the reforms we are going to see?
I think you will see some very drastic reforms change, because I've realized that working only to please the system does not help. We have to work to change the system, because sometimes what I've noticed in the last 5 years was I wanted to bring in a lot of changes, we wanted to do a lot of new things, but what I felt was that there were certain obstacles in the way. I think if we want a new Tripura, a young Tripura, then we have to change the system. If in Nepal, Balen Shah becomes the Prime Minister at 35, then why can't we have someone young also trying to drive home a new agenda for a better Tripura?
What will be the